Hello guys! Today I'll show you how to upload customized products using ShopBase, step by step. This product is Doormat. Now I will show you upload this name, Customized Doormat. First, you need to create the design in Photoshop. First, we need to go to the ShopBase homepage. Then, go to POD Products. After that, search for the Superior Doormat in the catalog. Select and create New Campaign. Add image and upload new design. Click Preview for fast upload. Off Show Print Area. Now, add text and write name. Now, you need to place the name text properly so that it aligns perfectly with the design name text. We need to match the font used in the text. To do this, check the font name in the Photoshop design file and upload that font. Now, set up personalization. Give display name. Give placeholder. Now, upload without name background. Delete with name background. All done now? Continue. Give title, description, and tag. Now launch. Wait for launch. Launch complete. Now, see? It looks like everything is set up correctly. Our customized product upload done. Thanks for watching full video. For this type more video, subscribe our channel.